Hello developers, welcome to DevKit Weekly. I'm Ken Briota, Editor-in-Chief of Embedded Computing Design, and this week on DevKit Weekly we're going to take a look at the ISP4520 LoRa Demo Development Kit from inside SiP. Now, this kit that I've got right here includes both LoRaWAN and Bluetooth 5 ready modules with MCU and radio antennas. Inside SiP says that the ISP4520's combination of these two IoT radio technologies in one miniaturized package is a unique differentiator. And thanks to that multi-radio setup, the module also offers both long-range capability from LoRa and high-throughput flexible service from BLE. Now, let's take a look at what's in this box and included. Inside the box, we find a interface board with integrated J-Link OB JTAG SWD Emulator. We've got a TX test board, a Mote, we've got an RX test board or gateway. We've got all the necessary cables and power supply, firmware codes for both Mote and gateway. The gateway is receiving data and transferring through the USB port com. The LoRaWAN stack is ported on an NRF52 platform and is based upon the Semtech SX126x series transceiver. The BLE section is based on Nordic Semi NRF52. It's also got an NFC-A tag for out-of-band pairing, and it's got a built-in embedded 32-bit ARM Cortex M4 CPU. Other features include a DC-DC converter with integrated conductors, 23 GPIOs, including analog, digital peripherals, and SPI interface. And the company says the internal antenna has an open field range of about 15 kilometers. Processing power is provided by the Nordic NRF52's onboard M4 floating point processor with 512K of flash memory available for advanced applications. The semiconductors offer low power consumption and are coupled with an array of power-saving features, so the whole module offers a multi-year coin cell based battery operation, so really low power, really long lasting. Look, if you're designing an IoT sensor device for remote or on-premise uses, this is a great tool for that early testing phase, and at about $360 or just over 300 euros, it's not quite a no-brainer, but certainly not a bad call. If you want to find out more about the ISP4520 from Inside SiP, you can visit Inside SiP at the link down in the description. Look, please like and share this video. It really helps us out. And while you're at it, make sure that you're subscribed if someone sent this to you so you never miss an episode of any of our shows, including DevKit Weekly, in case you missed it, Embedded Insights, our news show. To keep up with all the news in embedded, make sure you visit us at embeddedcomputing.com every day and follow us on our socials. The links are down in the description. That's all for this edition of DevKit Weekly. I've been Ken Briota, your host with Embedded Computing Design, and as always, thank you for watching. We will see you on the next episode of DevKit Weekly.